I'm going to start this week with a simple request. Most of you who watch these updates are not subscribers. Please consider subscribing. It's free and it gives me great encouragement. Now, let's have a look at the excavation work on the north finger. It's not entirely clear what's going on here, but one thing that's certainly being done is that protective covers over rods joining the sheet pile are being removed. On the south finger dock, welders have been busy all week preparing bollards to be placed on the inside. Ensuring that mountings fit perfectly is an obvious priority. I think we'll see them installed in the week ahead. At the new passenger terminal, there's continuing work on the interior and on the exterior. Although all the effort being put into heating the area suggests that something's coming, the area of the switch building has been relatively quiet. It was interesting on Tuesday to see Kroon Electric installing yet more lamp posts. As this update draws to a close, let's have a look at the comings and goings of the Wolf Islander. as the Wolf Islander heads off on another of her many trips, I'd ask you please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.